I am a successful and consistently profitable trader. I believe in my trading skills and my ability to win. Every day, I improve my trading mindset and strategy. I execute my trades with confidence and precision. I stick to my trading plan without hesitation. My discipline is my greatest trading strength. I respect my risk management rules at all times. I control my emotions and trade with a calm mind. I am patient and wait for the best opportunities. I never chase trades. I let them come to me. I trust my strategy because I know it works. I make smart decisions that lead to financial success. I accept small losses as part of the game. I know that winning is about consistency. I focus on the long-term growth of my account. Each day, I become a stronger and wiser trader. I do not react to fear or greed. I stay composed, confident, and in control. I trust the process and stick to my edge. I follow my rules because they create my wealth. I take only high-probability trades. I execute my entries and exits with precision. I protect my capital by managing risk wisely. I am the master of my emotions and decisions. I embrace patience and discipline. I wait like a hunter for the perfect setup. I take action decisively when my setup appears. I never force trades. I allow profits to flow to me. I treat trading as a business, not a gamble. I approach each trading day with focus and clarity. I never let a loss shake my confidence. I bounce back quickly and remain resilient. I know the market rewards discipline and patience. I love the process of trading and mastering my craft. I am grateful for every lesson the market teaches me. I trust myself to trade well and grow my wealth. I am financially free because I trade with discipline. I trust my skills and my ability to generate profits. I am proud of my progress as a trader. I attract money and abundance through my trading. I take full responsibility for my trading results. I let go of losses and focus on future wins. I trade with a clear mind and a strong purpose. I am in control. I'm in control of my financial destiny. I stay committed to my trading goals. I refine my strategy and improve every day. I learn from my mistakes and never repeat them. I believe in my ability to master the markets. I am a sniper in the markets. I wait patiently and strike with precision. I know that the best trades come to those who wait. I execute my trades with confidence and ease. I do not fear losses, I manage them wisely. I understand that losing is part of winning. I accept risk, knowing that I have the edge. I know that consistent profits come from smart decisions. I focus only on what I can control. I let go of the things I cannot change. I do not get emotional about the market. I trade with logic, discipline, and patience. I protect my capital and compound my profits. I grow my wealth steadily and consistently. I am creating financial freedom through trading. I trust that my strategy will lead to success. I follow my plan no matter what. I know that my trading plan is my path to success. I never trade impulsively. I always trade with purpose. I trust the numbers and let my system work. I am the casino and I play the probabilities. I stay disciplined and the money follows. I embrace the process and enjoy the journey. I grow stronger and more confident every day. I am patient with my progress. I celebrate every small victory. I focus on long-term success, not short-term results. I am a professional trader, and I act like one. I manage my emotions like a master. I stay neutral and let the market show the way. I listen, observe, and execute with precision. I always trade with a clear and focused mind. I do not let greed control me. I do not let fear hold me back. I trade with confidence, knowing I have an edge. I am calm, focused, and in control at all time. I am grateful for the opportunities the market gives me. I respect the market and move in sync with it. I accept what the market offers and trade accordingly. I do not force trades. I allow them to come to me. I follow my stop loss without hesitation. I take profits with patience and discipline. I let my winners run and cut my losses quickly. I trade like a professional and think like a winner. I am the architect of my financial future. I trade with clarity, precision, and patience. I am growing wealthier every day through my trades. I am in full control of my financial destiny. I am a successful and confident day trader. I attract wealth, prosperity, and financial abundance. I deserve to be financially free through trading. I am a master of the markets. Comment yes if you claim this.